This Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino machine is a standout product that combines convenience and quality for coffee lovers. Manufactured by Mr. Coffee, a renowned brand in the industry, this single-serve coffee maker is a perfect addition to any kitchen. The sleek black color of this espresso machine adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. With dimensions measuring 9.84 inches in diameter, 10.63 inches in width, and 12.4 inches in height, it is compact enough for even smaller spaces without compromising on functionality. One of the standout features of this machine is the built-in milk frother, which allows you to create luscious and creamy froth for your cappuccinos and lattes with ease. This feature enhances the overall coffee experience, making it feel like a professional barista crafted your drink. As an espresso machine, this product delivers rich and flavorful coffee thanks to its high-quality brewing capabilities. Whether you prefer a strong espresso shot or a frothy.
The Cafe Specialty Drip Coffee Maker by Cafe in Matte White is a sleek and innovative addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. With dimensions measuring 7.3 inches in diameter, 12.5 inches in width, and 14 inches in height, this coffee maker combines style and functionality seamlessly. One standout feature of this coffee maker is its app-controlled capabilities, allowing users to conveniently prepare their coffee remotely. The programmable options enable users to customize their brew to their liking, ensuring a perfect cup every time. Equipped with a jug, timer, removable tank, and thermal technology, this drip coffee machine offers a high level of convenience and versatility. The jug allows for easy pouring, the timer ensures your coffee is ready when you are, and the removable tank simplifies the cleaning process. Overall, the Cafe Specialty Drip Coffee Maker is a top choice for those seeking a premium coffee experience at home. Its modern design, array of features, and user-friend.
The Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine BES 870XL is a top-of-the-line product designed to meet the needs of coffee enthusiasts seeking cafe-quality espresso right at home. This espresso machine, finished in brushed stainless steel, stands out not just for its stylish appearance but also for its exceptional performance. With its compact design measuring 13.8 inches in diameter, 12.5 inches in width, and 15.9 inches in height, the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine BES 870XL fits easily into any kitchen space without compromising on functionality. The brushed stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance that blends seamlessly with modern kitchen appliances. One of the standout features of this espresso machine is its manual operation, which allows users to have precise control over the brewing process, resulting in a customized cup of espresso tailored to individual preferences. Whether you prefer a single or double shot, the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine.
As an espresso aficionado, the DeLonghi Stosa manual espresso machine stands out as a reliable choice for those seeking quality coffee at home. With a sleek color combination of black and stainless steel, it blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Measuring at 8.07 inches in diameter, 13.5 inches in width, and 11.22 inches in height, this espresso machine is compact yet powerful. Its design allows for easy placement on countertops without occupying too much space. One of the standout features of the DeLonghi Stosa is its built-in milk frother. Whether you prefer lattes, cappuccinos, or macchiatos, this machine enables you to create barista-quality frothed milk to complement your espresso shots. As an espresso machine, the DeLonghi Stosa offers a user-friendly experience. It allows you to experiment with various coffee recipes and tailor each cup to your liking. By mastering the art of espresso making, you can elevate your coffee experience to new heights.
The Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino machine is a sophisticated addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. This sleek silver machine from Mr. Coffee boasts dimensions of 8.86 inches in depth, 11.22 inches in width, and 12.6 inches in height, making it a compact yet powerful coffee-making companion. One of the standout features of this espresso and cappuccino machine is its programmable functionality, allowing users to set their preferred brewing times for a customized coffee experience. The built-in milk frother is a convenient addition for those who enjoy the creamy texture of cappuccinos and lattes, adding a touch of luxury to your daily coffee routine. The removable tank feature ensures easy cleaning and maintenance, giving users a hassle-free experience when it comes to keeping their coffee maker in top condition. Whether you're an espresso aficionado or a cappuccino connoisseur, this espresso machine from Mr. Coffee delivers on both taste and convenience.